Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up idle Python updated. Start by installing Python, then open idle, create a new file, and save it with a py extension. Configure options for indentation, font size, and tab width so code looks consistent. Run a simple print statement to confirm execution and test error handling. Use this checklist to get a reliable idle environment that supports quick learning and coding. Let's troubleshoot common idle issues like path confusion, version mismatch, and missing pip. Verify path by running Python version in your terminal and compare with idle about dialog. If pip is missing, reinstall or use ensure-pip and prefer virtualenv or venv for project isolation. For encoding or font problems, change the font and default encoding in options, and restart idle to apply changes so your development flow stays smooth and predictable. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings audio to life and fits any desk or room for clear voice responses. If you like hands-free testing or want background music while coding, it pairs nicely with Python workflows. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Customize idle for comfort and efficiency by adjusting keys, color themes, and auto-completion settings. Enable the shell and configure key bindings to speed up testing, and set up backups or autosave with external tools. Use virtual environments per project to avoid package conflicts, and integrate linters or formatters by running them separately or via simple editor commands to keep code clean and maintainable during development sessions. This setup helps you focus on learning and building projects without distractions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.